In this video on PSAT SAT prep, we're going to talk about how to calculate a percentage. So you can see this is the same table from the question that you practiced in your Google form. I've just changed the question in order to sort of illustrate how we do percentages. And so it says that the table above presents information about 810 train cars in service on a railroad. And we want to know that approximately what percentage of the train cars are single level cars that have been in service for 10 or more years. And so if you take a look at this table, we have the difference between single level and double decker buses, and we have a difference in service less than 10 years or service more than 10 years or 10 years or more. And so what we want in this particular question is to get the single level train cars with service of 10 or more years. And so the number that corresponds to that would be the 497 here. And so we're going to start with that as our numerator. That is the number of service cars that are single level and have been in service for 10 or more years. And we're going to divide that by the total number of cars, which is 810. And typing that into the calculator, you're going to get a number of 0.613, etc. And so changing that to a decimal, to a percentage, is just moving the decimal point 2 places to the right. And so 61.3% would be the approximate percentage of the train cars that have been in service for 10 or more years and have single level cars. And so hopefully that's helpful for you. Now go back and see if you can answer correctly the question that you had in your Google form.